Hello everyone, welcome. Thank you for subscribing and liking my videos. Today's video is an open house video of a vineyard model patio villa here in the village of Santo Domingo in the Villages, Florida. I hope you enjoy. Welcome friends, thank you for subscribing and watching my videos. Today's video is a patio villa with a 1.5 car garage. This is a vineyard model patio villa. These models are rare to find here in the Villages, Florida. It is a 2-bedroom and 1-bathroom home. And what I noticed, it has a concrete driveway. It is a wood-framed home. This home has many updates. It's been almost entirely remodeled. As always, if you have any questions about this home, please contact the listing agent, Cissie Smith, at that phone number there. This home does have stone in the front yard, and this home does face, the back of the home faces north. This is the side yard. This is very typical. Looks like it even has a mini putting green on the side yard. How cool is that? It is a wood framed home. It does have vinyl siding as well. Let's go inside and take a look. Hello, Sissy. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you doing?
I'm great. Could you tell us a little bit about this home?
I sure can. Welcome to the Village Valdez, which is a subdivision of the Santo Domingo Villages. And this is a 2-1 vineyard villa. It has been completely redone. Everything is brand new in this house. So enjoy your tour.
Okay, I'll walk through the home, and it is list priced at $289,000.
That is correct.
I'll walk through and I'll describe to my subscribers what I see. And later on, I'll walk out to the street and do a panoramic view of the street. They like to know the direction
And the
of the
bond
home.
is paid.
The bond is paid on this home as well?
Yes, sir.
Very good. That is even better yet. So the first thing I notice, friends, is this beautiful laminate floor. It's a luxury vinyl plank floor.
Why? Thank you.
And it does have the wide boards on it too. It's wide floor. I do notice that it's been freshly painted, and the acoustic texture has been removed from the ceiling. The popcorn ceiling is replaced by knockdown texture ceiling. This home shows very well. It does have quartz countertops in the kitchen as well. I will video the specification sheet so everybody has the specifications of this home. It does have new appliances, stainless appliances, and recessed lighting in the ceiling in the kitchen. And the flooring continues in this kitchen. That countertop is very nice. It does have a stainless sink, a 2-bowl stainless sink. Very nice, very awesome. It shows very well, and I'll give you a panoramic view from the kitchen off into the living space as well. Next, I'll take a walk out into the 1.5 car garage. The 1.5 car garage does have cement floors. You can put a car on this side of the garage and a golf cart on that side of the garage. It does have a sink to wash up. And the mechanicals are right there. This home is list priced at $289,000. It does have a laundry in the garage. It is in the village of Santo Domingo here in the Villages, Florida. It is a 2-bedroom and 1-bathroom home. It's a very efficient home. Move-in ready. You don't have a lot to do to this home. It has beautiful hardware on the door. It looks like brushed stainless hardware. Here in the back of the home, you will find 1 bathroom and 2 bedrooms. This bathroom looks entirely remodeled. It has the same quartz countertop in this bathroom is in the kitchen. Very nice home. It has the knockdown texture on the ceiling. That shower looks very large. It is tiled with a stone floor in it. That is a very awesome shower. Very neutrally decorated as well. There is a lot of TLC put into this home. Off to the left, you will have one of the bedrooms with that flooring, same floor that was in the kitchen and living room area. This bedroom does have a closet with sliding doors on it. And I do see it does have a closet organizing system in that closet. And from this bedroom, you can actually access the bathroom from this bedroom as well. So you can access that. It does have a sliding pocket door from this bedroom into the bathroom. So this room would be considered the master bedroom. Here's the second bedroom in this home. This is a vineyard model patio villa here in the Villages, Florida. It's been completely remodeled. Very neutral colors. The same plank floor continues throughout this, in this room as well. This bedroom does have sliding doors on the closet. It does have a closet organization shelving system in there as well. I will video the specification sheet. This home is listed at $289,000. And here is the specification sheet. I will video it right here. I'll set it on the beautiful quartz countertop. As always, if you have any questions, please contact Cissie Smith at Realty Executives. This home is located at 744 Angelita Avenue, here in the Villages, Florida. List price is $289,000. And feel free to stop and pause the video to read the specification sheet at any time. This home is gorgeous, and it's a rare find here in the Villages, Florida. Here are the room dimensions. You can see the kitchen is 11 by 12. The living room is 16 by 25. And there are the particulars. Next, I will walk out to the street. I'll do a panoramic view of the street as well. This home shows very well. Off the living room, you do see sliding patio doors. Here we walk outside the home. I'll walk out to the street. I'll give you a panoramic view of the street. This home has a very nice sitting area, patio area here in the front of the home. It does have the stone landscape here in the Villages, Florida. The front of the home faces south. Again, if you have any questions about this home, please contact Cissie Smith, the listing agent, for any questions. I will walk out to the street. I will pan left and right. So right now I am walking south. And as I pan to the right, that would be west. And this would be facing east, and that what you see there is Morse Boulevard. This is your home. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. I really do appreciate it. Have a great day, everyone. Thank you for joining and watching this open house tour of a vineyard model patio villa here in the village of Santo Domingo in the Villages, Florida. Thank you for watching. Have a great day, everybody. Take care.